So I finally made it to North America's largest skate park. And yeah, camera's not going to do this justice, but I guess the official statistics says it's 88,000 square feet. It's pretty cool. It was raining earlier. It stopped raining, dried up real fast. Yeah, rollerblades. Awesome. Anyways, we'll be back tomorrow. It's just another shot of it from this angle here. This is just a portion of it. All kinds of hips, boxes, rails. There's a lot of vert too. Get pretty excited. Come up here. Show you a little bit of the vert side. Skate park, of course, but you still see scooters, rollerblades, bikes, a few of those. Cool. Well, I got this little streets course over here, kind of beginner course, or just a warm-up area. I'll definitely be hitting this tomorrow. It's been a couple months since I skated, so I'm gonna be a little rusty. I've been running so much. Just uses different muscles though. Oh, yeah, that's a cute little area. Nobody's here either, so. All right, next area. All right. I'm not really sure. This is, I mean, it's definitely skatable. It's probably more art than anything. But these ledges are nice. Yeah. So there's that section. I guess that says, wow. We got this little curb here. That's kind of cool. Some quarter pipes. All right, so this is for my oldest sister-in-law. There you go. Girl power. Here's the suspension bridge, i.e. or slash pedestrian bridge. Pretty cool river. I know this area is prone to flooding. I think it was 2011. Quite a few people died because this flooded over so bad. But yeah, my uncle-in-law, if you're watching, this is for you. It's pretty cool.